If your PC is slow, lags while opening apps, or freezes randomly, don't upgrade yet. In this video, I'll show you real Windows settings that can make any low-end PC faster. First, let's fix startup lag. Fewer startup apps equals faster boot and less RAM usage. This setting alone can boost performance on weak PCs. This removes heavy animations that slow low-end systems. Most low-end PCs are slowed down by power limits. This allows your CPU to run at full speed. A full drive equals slow PC. Do not install fake PC booster apps, they make things worse. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more PC tips. Comment your PC specs, I reply to everyone.